We're gonna go ahead and get that this brake booster out of there. I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what we did. We already got that master cylinder off right there. We moved it over to the side. We left it attached because I just put that master cylinder on. I bled the whole system the other day. So I know there ain't no air. So we're gonna go ahead and get the old one off right quick. Just gonna get that brake booster out of there real quick. It's gonna be under here. It's not gonna take me no time to get it out. I just did this the other day. I put a used one in there. So that's one bolt right there. We only got 4. 2 bolts. That's number 3. That's number 4 right there. Alright, y'all. I got those off. Now, the first time I did that, it took a long time. But I already did it the other way, so the other day. So the first time you do something, it's always gonna take a long time. After you do it once, you're gonna knock it out in half the time it took you the first time. Alright, brake booster's coming out. There it is. That's the old brake booster. This actually used. Same shape. She looks pretty good. Alright, let's do it. We're gonna put it back in. So we're gonna put this back inside. This piece right here that you see, this connects inside to the brake pedal. So you gotta make sure that you put this on the brake pedal. There's a snap ring that snaps so it don't come off the brake pedal. That's probably the hardest part about getting this brake booster out of there. So we got that new brake booster in. We're gonna put the bolts on. Now don't lose this piece. This piece came out. She gonna sit right there in the center where that master cylinder is gonna go. Let me just show you. Right here. That's gonna be that pin that pushes on that master cylinder. If you got any questions, drop them in the chat. Let me put these other bolts on. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We go live Monday through Saturday around 12 o'clock. Alright, this brake booster giving me a hard time, man. I don't want to go in. So I'm trying to get this small ringed piece hooked back onto my brake pedal. And it don't got a lot of left to right play. It don't have a lot of left to right play. Like this one's old and worn out. But I don't got enough play to really get it hooked on that brake pedal real easy. So this is what I'm struggling with. I just readjusted the brake booster. It was that little rubber piece on the back, it came off. We changed out this brake booster. I gotta get one more bolt snug down right quick. So I'm gonna put this pin back in there where it goes. And then we got, I'm gonna take this old plastic fitting off. They went on the other brake booster real quick. Let me give me some vice grips or needle nose. Got my needle nose. Go ahead and get off this. I don't need this anymore. Well, I'm gonna save it though. But it looks like we have another one right here. That's crazy. Alright, put this bad boy on there. Let's get this clamp off. Come on, man. Alright. Stupid clamp keeps on turning on me. Okay, we got that on there. I'm gonna put my master cylinder back on. Alright, we got 15 millimeter. We're gonna go ahead and tighten back up this brake booster. We're gonna go ahead and snug it down now. Make sure she's good. Nice and snug. Alright. So we got brake fluid in there too. Looking good. Alrighty. This feels pretty good, man. Question is how does it feel when it's on?